What if one AI platform could synthesize your training data, annotate it, fine-tune your model, answer questions about it, and bill itself, all without you writing a single line of code? That's EvoAI. Built in just 5 days for the Google AI Agents Intensive Capstone, EvoAI isn't just a tool. It is an economic engine. The problem and value proposition. Here is the reality. According to Statista, the global AI market is projected to exceed $800 billion by 2030. Yet, a staggering 87% of data science projects never make it into production. Why? Because companies are bleeding money on fragmented tools. Competitors like Scale AI charge $50,000 minimum contracts just to start. EvoAI collapses all of that into one unified workspace. But the real savings come from model accuracy. Statista reports that higher quality, richer training datasets improve model accuracy by over 20% on average. A 20% increase in accuracy translates directly to an 18 to 25% increase in operational revenue for enterprise AI pipelines. By giving you unlimited synthetic data generation for free, EvoAI directly boosts your bottom line. Under the hood, EvoAI runs a fleet of 5 specialist agents, each wrapped in a standard agent harness. The harness gives every agent a model, Gemini 2.0 Flash with NVIDIA NIM, and DeepSeek as fallbacks, plus tools, memory, instructions, and real-time observability. They talk via A2A, agent to agent, through a message bus, while the commander orchestrates them. Everything streams live to your browser via A2UI. Watch A2A in action. I'll ask the commander to generate 3 synthetic product images and auto-label them. The commander delegates to the synthesizer agent, calling Gemini Imagen 3 to stream new data back in real time. Then, the commander delegates to the labeler agent, running YOL of 8N. In seconds, bounding boxes appear over the generated images. This synthetic data is priceless. For industries like autonomous driving or medical imaging, acquiring real-world data costs up to $100 per image. EvoAI generates rich, diverse synthetic data at a fraction of the traditional cost, allowing you to train your models on rare scenarios that are nearly impossible to capture in the real world. Smarter training data makes smarter models, and smarter models close more deals. Every tool call is metered by AP2, the Agent Payment Protocol. Generating images costs 2 credits. TTS costs half a credit. Fine-tuning costs 50. When the balance runs low, the agent itself generates a Stripe checkout link. The agents literally pay their own way. This usage-based model saves companies from overpaying for idle software. Instead of burning cash on $50,000 annual licenses, you only pay for the compute you actually consume. That is enterprise scalability on a startup budget. The labeling workspace is where raw data becomes training ready. Upload any image. Click Auto Label. YOL of 8 runs on the back end, returning normalized bounding boxes. But the real game changer is the optimizer agent. It encrypts your dataset with post-quantum cryptography and runs LoRA fine-tuning on a cloud GPU cluster. Why does this matter? Statista shows that 85% of corporate AI spending is wasted on data cleaning and labeling. EvoAI automates this, slashing data preparation time by up to 70%. When you spend less time cleaning data, you spend more time optimizing your AI. Companies utilizing fine-tuned, custom models see an average return on investment of 5.9 times their initial spend. Every execution is logged. Latency, which model provider was used, how many credits were spent, and the evaluation score. You can inspect the last 50 observations for any agent via the API. This isn't a black box. It is production-grade observability built into the harness itself, giving your data science teams full transparency. EvoAI is the result of applying the 5-day intensive. Introduction to agents and vibe coding on day 1. Agent tools and interoperability on day 2. Agent skills on day 3. Vibe coding agent security and evaluation on day 4. And spec-driven production-grade development in the age of vibe coding on day 5. We bridge the gap from a simple idea to a live, revenue-generating enterprise product. By using EvoAI, you save money on contracts, save time on manual labeling, and produce smarter, more accurate models that drive actual economic value. Check out our GitHub and live demo today. This is EvoAI.